Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a very professional-looking or simple logo design in Canva. Canva is a great site for beginners who don't know how to create graphics or designs, or if you feel you don't have much creativity. You don't have to worry. Canva is beginner-friendly, and the best part is you can customize pre-made templates created by professionals. So without any delay, let's get started. Make sure you've created your Canva account. Once you've signed up, this is the page you'll see. In the search bar, just type logo. You can create any type of logo for any industry. Just search for it and explore by tapping on Show More. All right, so maybe I'll go with this one. If you want any kind, maybe I'll choose this one. This is a free option, so I'll select this one for Coffee Cafe. I will go with this one. Just explore the logo options, and if you find one you like, simply customize it. Now you are able to customize anything you want. For example, if I want to change the text like this, I can customize whatever I need. Also, if I want to change the cup, that's available too. If I want to change the color of the cups, then I need to go here and adjust it like this. If I want to make more changes, I can do it like this, and I can edit anything I want. So just play around and modify whatever you want to change. Once you're happy with your design or any modifications, you're ready to export it. To export, go to the Share option and then go to the Download section. There are multiple file options. Just download whichever file you prefer. That's how simple it is to create any logo for your YouTube, brand, company, or any other startup. It's really simple. Just get your logo ready. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about the video or about Canva, please comment below. I'll answer all the questions. I'll see you in the next video.